Magandang hapon po ng Friday, March 14, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, March 14, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng March 14, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 650, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, March 14, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for March 14, 2025, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, March 14, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.